Hi, and welcome to a new Tesla Life Europe video. On March 22, 2022, the Techno-king of Tesla, Elon Musk, officially opened the new Gigafactory in Germany. In his opening speech, Musk revealed the timelines for the rollout of FSD beta in Europe. The Gigafactory opening ceremony was accompanied by a fancy indoor drone video. Let's have a look at that video first. At this event, the first Giga Berlin-built Tesla Model Y was delivered to its new owner. Musk told a small crowd at the Gigafactory that Tesla is getting to a point where the FSD beta is very good in the US.
Later this week, expanding to Canada. And then I think we'll be ready to show it to regulators in the EU, I don't know, maybe in 2 or 3 months.
So Tesla expects to start discussions with EU regulators in the summer of 2022.
But then we've got to do quite a lot of work for all the special case situations in Europe. And the roads, as you know, if you've driven around Europe, the roads vary quite a lot by country. I mean, maybe the EU, but the road rules are, and the way the lines are painted, and it's different. And then you've got to recognize all the different languages. It's quite difficult to do full self-driving in Europe. It's much more complex than, say, the US or Canada. There's a lot of little tricky things. The rules are not the same. But I think probably we can start doing beta maybe later this year, I think. Yeah, it's like things are a little different in the US. Like in the US, things are legal by default. And in Europe, they're illegal by default.
It seems like FSD beta is finally coming to Europe. Some patience is needed still, but remember the saying, time flies. You can watch the entire speech via the link in the description or by clicking on the link in the top right corner of this video. That's it for now. Meanwhile, stay safe and stay tuned.